Hey, it's Dr. Karen, and I have another great email. In fact, this one is so good. I am sorry I forgot to answer it when I put together the booklet for the Happy Hoo Hoo. So, Marty, thank you so much for your email. This is from Marty, who says, "Hello, I received the Happy Hoo Hoo, but there are no directions on usage during menstruation. Please advise." What a great question, and I'm sorry I forgot to answer that. So, what I would recommend is during those first couple of days when our period is heavier, not to use it, because it's a lot of flow those first few days. So just skip those days. But as the period cycle extends out, day 3, 4, 5, 6 on, that is a good time to use it. That's when to restart it, when the flow starts getting lower. And it's good because, as our period progresses, our vagina actually goes through a little dry part because our hormones are very low during that time. So that our hormones are at their lowest during the time we're actually having our period. So as our cycle gets, as the flow gets a little bit less heavy, definitely restart the Happy Hoo Hoo. All right, thanks Marty for asking that question. That was a good one. Okay, bye-bye.